Usok mo siya.
Second word. Heart. Heart. I heart you. I heart. I heart you. I love you. I love you, babe.
I love you, heart.
I love you too.
Sali ba si parang Roy?
Second word.
Hindi kasali si Tito Roy.
I love you too. Two hearts. I love you, babe.
Love. First word.
Ano yung first word?
First word daw, kuya.
Sino first word?
Paano yun?
Dali na, first word. Ano ba?
Alam ko paano i-describe yan.
Gitna lang. First word.
Lobat.
Three. Tatlong tao.
Pusong sawi.
English eh.
Pusong sabi. Ay, di ka kasali dyan. Nakikisali ka.
Sounds like. Walang sounds like yan. Three.
Ano ba to?
First word.
Hindi may first word eh.
O, second word. Heart.
1 minute.
Love. Oh. Third word. Ilang syllables?
50 seconds.
2 syllables.
My baby love.
45 seconds.
Heart. You. Love you. Why?
40
Couple.
seconds.
Taragis ka. Man, guys.
Love.
35
I
seconds.
love you, pare. Ano ba?
My husband's lover.
Last 30 seconds.
Ang pahirap to.
Unfaithful loves.
Unfaithful heart.
Unfaithful husband. Unfaithful wife.
20 seconds.
Ay, love affair. Ano yun dito? Love affair. Ano yun? Love affair. Love affair. Love affair.
40,
Love affair.
40,
Putang ina.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
Love affair. Ano
6,
ba? Ay, di ko-
5, 4,
Ang love affair. Love affair.
3, 2, 1.
Nakuha lang.